Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Hope well. As you can see, I'm all packed up and loaded. You're gonna recognize this site. Been here before. In fact, I shot a video for the Camp Alliance Challenge. Show us your camp spots. This is one of them. I'm gonna be putting my hammock right here. I got a text from my buddy. He says, hey, your birthday is coming up, which is today actually, so 50 trips around the sun. And he's like, you want to go camping? I said, yeah, let's do it. So, you know, one of the reasons I always come here is because, well, as you can see, it's Friday evening and the spot's wide open. Like, I don't know if anyone's actually, I know people have taken it because I can tell by the fire pit, but every time we come up here, it's always available. So it's like, you know, why not just keep coming back where I know I'm gonna get a camp spot? I mean, you know, really. Of course, all the bedding and stuff is on the bottom. Literally at the bottom. There's my hammock. And my straps. Sleep. I'll get busy on the hammock, which I probably won't show you because you guys have seen the setup again. I'll show you when I get it set up. All right, hammock is up. Now the underquilt. All right. Of course, tonight's blanket. And camera's crooked and too low. Snug Pack Jungle Blanket. Really like the combo. I didn't bring the other one, the down puffy I had brought a few times. Because it's not cold at all. I don't suspect it'd be cold tonight. And if it is, well, I guess I'm screwed. Which I shouldn't be. I should be fine. Temperatures are pretty moderate, so I got the 100 quilt. Got the under quilt attached. It's only by accident that everything is nice and green. Got my pillow. Same one I took to Canada with me. If you had not seen my Canada trip, I'll link the playlist in the description. What are you doing, underquilt? I mean, I guess it won't matter since when I get in, I'll make adjustments. But all right, that's my sleep system. Now you get my tarp up because I gotta keep the sun up. You know, I gotta say, setting this tarp up, I love this tarp, but the slightest breeze will blow this thing like a sail, and every time it happens, I swear, quite a lot. It's not even that windy out, but as soon as I pull it out of the bag, Hey Mark, you used the bungee cord. That's cheating. You damn right it is. Damn right. Alright, well that's sleeping accommodations for the night. So I had to just skip a lot of the setup because I've shown it plenty of video before, so I'm sure you guys aren't going to miss seeing it. You can check my channel for other hammock outings. A little worried about the cinch buckle here being turned. Could be a reason to flip out of the hammock. I notice everything isn't straight. You can do that, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, one last thing I gotta get out. Make sure I have ready. Discovered the hard way. Zip up everything so it doesn't come flying out. Put stuff away. I always bag up all my stuff sacks, and that way I can keep them all together. Where are you? There we are. I just got a 3 mil trash bag. What I'll do is I'll just lay this out on the ground and I'll step on it, kick off my shoes, climb in the hammock. So, alright. Got old Trusty out here. This chair has seen a lot of outings. When I bought it, it was on sale at REI for like it was like $29.99, but it was on clearance for half off, so it was actually a $59.99 chair. So, and it is comfortable. Now I need to start thinking about firewood. See how sweaty I already am. It's a warm day. Thankfully we're in the shade and the sun's going down. So it'll probably be dark here soon-ish. So I don't know how much firewood we're going to need for the evening. When he said, my buddy said he was going to be, the camera looks crooked. Alright, let me fix it. Alrighty, so my buddy texted me and he said he'd be about 2 hours and a half when I was already in town, closest major town to this area. And I said, okay, well, cool. So I went and grabbed a bite to eat, and then I texted him about a little bit later, and he goes, man, it's gonna be like another half an hour because traffic was just insane. So I said, oh, well shoot, well I'll just head up. And he said, just go ahead and go up and grab our spot, and I'll see about, I'll just grab some food, like anything you want in particular. And I'm like, no, not really. I said, I'm not really that worried, besides town really isn't that far. We can always run into town and grab a few things if we have to tomorrow. Not even gonna be an issue. So, and my other buddy's coming up tomorrow too. He's coming up tonight, my other buddy's coming up tomorrow. We're gonna shoot some BB guns and stuff like that. We're gonna set up some targets. So maybe I'll actually record it this time. I didn't last time, but we'll try to get that on video. At least a little bit of BB gun action. I don't actually have one. I got my 22, which I really wish I could bring, but it's probably not a good idea to send 22 long rifle rounds into the woods. So unless I had one of those cool silencers like Harchman Hills has been showing, but Yeah. Probably not a good idea. Much more so if I get caught. They'll say, "Oh my God, that's a firearm. What are you doing? You're under arrest." Come on, bugs. I gotta get my bug spray. Alright, I guess I'll check in a bit. Well, I got some firewood cut. Well, I broke all that by hand. Used the axe to remove it from the base. And then I just cut those with the saw. Of course, I brought the battery powered chainsaw because why not? It's such a great tool. We'll get the other half of the tree now. Alright, so I dragged this sucker over. I cut all the branches off, cut the top off. So that should be enough wood for the night. Probably more than enough. Get us something to start with tomorrow.